Hello. A variety of spacer devices are available to help people use a metered dose inhaler. This video will show you how to give your baby or child their inhaled medication with an AeroChamber Plus spacer and mask. A spacer is an attachment which makes it easier to use a metered dose inhaler, especially if somebody finds it difficult to coordinate pressing the inhaler and breathing at the same time. It also helps to get more medicine into the lungs. If the inhaler and spacer are used correctly, your child should have better control of their breathing problem. But if used incorrectly, your child may have poor control of their condition, with the risk of side effects, such as a sore throat or mouth infection. The AeroChamber Plus spacer and mask should be used for babies and young children until they're old enough to use a spacer mouthpiece properly. Versions of the spacer with larger masks are available for adults who cannot use a mouthpiece. We're going to show you how to give a child their medicine from a metered dose inhaler with the AeroChamber Plus. Adults that need to use a mask can follow the same process, using an AeroChamber Plus with a large mask, which is blue. People using the blue version should be aware that it has an extra feature. It has a built-in whistle, which will sound if you breathe in too quickly. If possible, your child should sit upright or stand up when using the metered dose inhaler and spacer. For babies, you should either cuddle them on your knee or cradle them in your arms. Remove the cap from the inhaler. Hold the inhaler upright and shake it firmly 4 or 5 times. Insert it into the spacer. When you're ready, apply the mask gently over your child's nose and mouth. Make sure that you have a good seal so that none of the medicine can escape. Press the top of the inhaler down to give a dose of the medicine. Hold the mask firmly in place for 5 normal breaths. Encourage your child to breathe in and out through their mouth if they're old enough to understand this. Remember that once you press the top of the inhaler, the person needs to breathe in straight away. Otherwise, the medicine will fall to the bottom of the spacer instead of going into their lungs. So don't press the inhaler until you have the mask in place and are happy that there's a good seal. After 5 breaths, remove the mask from their face. If the doctor has told you to give 2 puffs, wait for 30 to 60 seconds and then repeat the whole process. Remember to shake the inhaler between doses. Once finished, replace the cap on the inhaler to keep dust out. If the metered dose inhaler contains a steroid, usually known as a preventer, make sure you brush your child's teeth or get them to gargle with water after every use to prevent mouth infections. It's important that you look after your spacer, and here are some tips. Wash the spacer before its first use and then weekly. To wash the spacer, remove the back piece but do not remove the mask. Gently wash both parts in lukewarm water with washing up liquid and then leave to soak for 15 minutes. Do not rinse the spacer and do not rub it dry. Shake out any excess water and then let the parts air dry naturally in a vertical position. Washing and drying the spacer this way helps to stop static building up, which can stop the spacer working as well as it should. Once the spacer is completely dry, reassemble the parts. Your child's spacer should be replaced every 12 months, but some may need to be replaced sooner. If you're unsure about how to use your child's metered dose inhaler and spacer, speak to their GP, practice nurse or pharmacist for assistance.